Configuring the Citrix XML service port. MetaFrame Presentation Server uses the Citrix XML service to supply servers running the web interface and TCP/IP connected ICA clients with the names of published applications that are available on a server farm. By default, Setup configures the Citrix XML service to share the default TCP/IP communication port 80 with Microsoft Internet Information Services. All servers in the farm must use the same TCP port for the Citrix XML service. If farms are running in interoperability mode, this requirement includes all servers running either MetaFrame 1.8, MetaFrame XP, or MetaFrame Presentation Server. Use the following procedure only if you do not want to share the port used by IIS. If you entered a port number other than the default share with IIS during setup, you can change the port to another port number using the Presentation Server console. To change the Citrix XML service port after installation, use the Services Control Panel to stop the Citrix XML service. At a command prompt, type CTX XML SS/U to unload the Citrix XML service from memory. Type CTX XML SS/RNN, where NN is the number of the port you want to use. For example, CTX XML SS/R88 forces the Citrix XML service to use TCP/IP port 88. Restart the Citrix XML service in the control panel. To manually configure the Citrix XML service to share the TCP port with IIS after running setup, use the Services Control Panel to stop the Citrix XML service. At a command prompt, type CTX XML SS/U to unload the Citrix XML service. Then copy wp-nbr.dll and CTX XML SS.txt to the IIS scripts directory on your web server. These files are installed in Program Files, Citrix, System32 during MetaFrame Presentation Server installation. The default scripts directory is in inetpubs scripts. Use Internet Service Manager to give the files read and write access. Finally, stop and restart the web server. You can find more information on this subject and others at support.citrix.com.